they're just gonna go in next, and then you just need to write down the amount of money. So similar to how send works, and then you just add the note as well, and then you Hello guys, welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can receive money on PayPal. Now, to be able to receive money on PayPal is a very simple matter. It depends on the person on the other side to actually give you money for you to be able to receive money on PayPal. Now, how are you going to do that? Well, we have two ways. The first thing is, of course, you need to wait for someone to send money to your balance so that it can be added. Like, for example, I don't have any money right now, so if they go to send over here and then they'll add like your name, your username, your email or mobile, they can just do that. And then, like, for example, I'm gonna put my phone number instead. It's gonna blur it a bit, so that appears there, and then it's just gonna they're just gonna put the money here, and then they will put the reason. So it's like a bank transfer purpose. It's like every bank transfer, they usually have the it will ask you for like what the money is for, so that's for the sender of the money. Now, you can actually go and request money as well. You're just gonna send the name of the person. For example, I'm gonna put my name, this random person over here, and then I'm just gonna go in next, and then you just need to write down the amount of money. So similar to how send works, and then you just add the note as well, and then you can request a payment. For example, blah 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 blah, add the money and then request a payment. The next thing that you can do, this is usually done and when you're doing a business, is that you can create an invoice by going here over to create an invoice. Now, it's a bit more complicated than just sending or requesting of money. You will have to put the name or email of your customer, and then what are they paying for. So of course there will always be a product when it comes to an invoice. There needs to be a service done in order for an invoice to be legitimate. For example, yeah, you can add, like, for example, a video, the amount of video like I make for YouTube. And then, like, they can add notes. You can add notes. There can be terms and conditions or reference number. And then once you're done with all of that, you can just send this invoice to that person, and then they will be able to see that invoice, and then they'll check if everything is in order, and then they can just send the money right away. So it's that simple to receive money on PayPal. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Hello guys, once again, this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.